Alright everyone, I just got back from town. I stopped at Harbor Freight to pick up a winch for my four-wheeler. As you can hear it right now, I'm going to shut this off. Alright, it's a little quieter now. I went and bought a 2,500 pound winch from Harbor Freight. I'm going to unbox it, look at it, and take it out of my truck here. It's quite heavy, and yeah, it's I think it'll be a good unit for my four-wheeler. I pre-ordered a bracket online from, I don't remember where I bought it from. Once it gets here, it's still supposed to be delivered today, so I'm going to hopefully get that today, and possibly today's Wednesday, probably work on it this weekend on Saturday afternoon. So otherwise I'd be starting it out right now with assembling it, unboxing it, but let's go in the garage and see what it looks like. Alright, like I said, it's a 2,500 pound winch, and I'm just going to unbox it for now, see what's all in here. It's pretty heavy, like I said. Instructions, let's see here. There's the winch itself. It's got a good amount of weight to it. It's got to be 25 pounds. See what this is, probably everything else. Okay, you got the controller for up and down. Then you got some couple boots for electrical, nuts and bolts. The other boot. And it comes with a remote control also. That's kind of slick. Comes with a shackle. I don't know, I might get a larger one. I don't know why I would need a larger shackle. Then here's the wiring harness for the whole thing. Like I said in another video, I am not mechanically inclined by any means, so I'm just going to set this aside here. It's got a hook with a little cotter pin and a pin for the hook itself. So this is the four-wheeler that I have. It's a 2011 Honda Foreman 500, and I'd like to, well, I am going to put a winch on it. I'm just waiting for the mounting bracket to get here from the UPS guy, and so I want to put it on today, but looks like the weekend's going to be the day to do it, or who knows when exactly, but I want to get it on, installed, running properly, because I want to do some tree cutting in the backyard here, and with this the side hill right here, it's quite steep. I mean, I don't know what angle that's at, but it's pretty steep, and the trees that I want to cut are this one right here, that one where it's cracked. It's just going to end up rotting down the center. I want to take this one down, and what other one? There's three that I want to take down. I got to step back and look. Oh, this one right here that's hanging over the yard. And what's going to happen is they're going to fall down. I want to buck them up on the hill, or if it's not possible, I want to use the four-wheeler and the winch to winch them up into the yard, or quote-unquote landing. But that way, if I want to cut something farther down below the hill, I can run the winch out. If I need a rope, I'll just add a rope to the hook on the winch and winch everything up here instead of going all the way around through the park. It's going to rut everything up, and I don't want to end up getting in trouble for rutting up the grass in the park because I want to move some logs. So that is my plan. One of the things I want to do this spring, I may cut down another one too. I don't want to cut too much down because I don't want any kind of erosion to start. I just need to get some good root bound plants in this side hill so it holds everything back, holds it firm. So yeah, this is going to be a fun project. This little four-wheeler project, mounting the winch. So if you made it this far, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, hype, and all that kind of stuff. All right, until next time, enjoy the little things.